Before we start this video, here's a video of me catching the golden ball. Alright.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen.
This was a video right after the blackout that happened a couple hours ago.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2.5 inches are possible in the Warren area.
Something like cut the water to the electricity. That's why we couldn't post anything for half an hour. Sorry, I was supposed to say half an hour.
Underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Annandale, Olney, Springfield, Herndon, Fairfax, Langley Park.
Anyway, this alerts flash flood warning.
Emmett Hills, flash flooding of small creeks and urban areas. Highways entering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg. In effect until 11 p.m. Langley Park, Vienna, Falls Church, Manchester, Emmett Hills, American Legion Bridge, McLean, Aspen Hill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Now, I'm going to see if I can get relay on WYYY.
Drown when encountering
Yo, Caleb, I didn't know
flood
that.
deaths occur in vehicles.
I didn't know that it was on Caleb. But I'm going to see if they relay on WIYY.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Howard County in central Maryland, northeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland,
I pushed
until
my
4
enter
p.m.
too much.
At 3:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Columbia, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Month, we got to flip over the calendar
Damage and wind will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Columbia, Olney, Pikesville, Elk Ridge, historic Ellicott City, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Randallstown, Owings Mills, Eldersburg, Milfordville, Locker, Arbutus, Brooklyn Park, Savage, Guilford, Skaggsville, Ilkeston, and Cloverly. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damage and winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Baltimore, move indoors immediately. Pikesville. Lightning is one of nature's killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This cloud to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Flash flooding caused by excessive rain. You are close enough to be struck by light. And may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
It's going to be awkward conversation. You can't escape it. So just sit in.
So when you shop with Van Dyke and Baker.
Again. Yo, stay college. Hey Alexa, play WARM.
WLRN FM from TuneIn.
Central Pennsylvania, southwestern County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County. County in south central Pennsylvania until 4:15.
Hey Alexa,
3:17 p.m.
play WARM.
Stemming from Pine Grove,
WARM 103.3 from iHeartRadio.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
The Service Center at Lancaster Toyota works on all makes and models. Lancaster Toyota Service offers a complimentary video inspection, so you can see exactly what your vehicle needs. Trust and transparency at the Service Center at Lancaster Toyota, the dealer you can trust.
4th of July savings are here at the Home Depot with up to 40% off, plus up to an extra $600 off select appliances with free delivery by GE Profile. Simplify your routine with GE Profile appliances. From refrigerators with autofill pitchers and multiple dispensing options to all-in-one washer-dryer combos that can wash and dry a full load in under 2 hours. Shop 4th of July savings on top brand appliances now at the Home Depot. Free delivery on appliance purchases of $396 or more. Offer valid June 18th through July 9th. U.S. only. See store or online for details.
Grove to Shiremanstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lebanon, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Mechanicsburg, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, and Lingelstown. Radar has indicated rotation within these severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop quickly during severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 230 to 257, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8, Interstate 81 from mile markers 55 to 107, Interstate 83 from mile markers 31 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning.
Wow, that ended so quickly. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Shut up. There you go.
Schedules, manage work orders in real time, and access the best. Try Maintain X for free.
There you go.